Hey you guys, Shelly here. Are we ready for a super short Boxycharm base box unboxing video? This is for the month of February. If you are new here, hi, my name is Shelly. I did not get this in PR. I subscribed to this with my own money. At one point in time, I was a subscriber of all of the Boxycharm boxes. I love their add-ons. I didn't get any add-ons this month. I don't think I did last month either. I don't know what's wrong with me. But today, I don't have a theme. Be My Glam in time. 5 full-size products. This runs, I think they changed the prices this year, so there maybe it's like $27, $28, something like that. We'll see how much the total MSRP value is at the end of the total for you. But let's go through and see what I got in my particular base box for the month of February. So the first thing in here is a Saturday Skin. Is that what this is? Yeah, Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. It says a buttery eye cream with an infusion of yuzu fruit. I don't even know what that is. Do you guys know what a yuzu fruit is? Do you eat it? Rich vitamin C citrus. Combined with target ingredients such as the active vital complex and niacinamide, this eye cream will improve moisture retention, hydrate, and blur the appearance of fine lines. Boy, do I need that lately. I had a birthday recently. How old am I? I think I'm 51. Oof. Anyway. Yeah, so I probably need this. I don't mind the Saturday Skin stuff. I've tried a few of their different products, like water creams and stuff like that, and actually liked them. Next thing in here is an OPV Beauty Loose Setting Powder. That must be what this is. I have so many loose powders open right now. I don't know that I need to open another one. So OPV Beauty London in Translucid. So it says perfect for setting your foundation or wearing alone. Whether you rely on setting powder to mattify, set, conceal, or diffuse, the formula acts as a finishing touch to bring your whole look together. I didn't say this before, but the MSRP on the Saturday Skin Eye Cream was $32. The MSRP on this is $22. $22 for a setting powder. Okay. Yeah, I don't think that's horribly priced. Next thing in here is Clara's New York. I looked at the side first and I didn't see it, but it actually says Clara's up here. So this is Clara's New York Stimulating Retinol Facial Serum. I think there's a theme here. I probably ought to pay attention. This probably could be very, very timely. A 96% blend of retinol and vitamin E oils intensively stimulates and moisturizes quenched skin. Moisturizes quenched skin? If your skin is already quenched, does it? Inquiring minds want to know. Retinol provides anti-aging benefits by acting as a targeted treatment, promoting skin cell renewal and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Antioxidant-rich vitamin E hydrates while providing anti-aging benefits such as improved cellular strength and elasticity. Used daily for a brighter complexion. MSRP $24.99. I feel like this description has a little bit of contradictory things. So we've got moisturizing quenched skin. We've got anti-aging effects, which reduces the... So anti-aging effects doesn't mean that you're prohibiting future aging, but then it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So that repairs current damage, right? And then the vitamin E, again, anti-aging benefits such as improved cellular strength and elasticity. I guess that makes more sense. Anyway, probably too fine of a point here. Have you guys tried Clara's at all? I like vitamin E. I don't use a lot of retinol products, and I probably should. So we might give that a try. If you guys see it in a future trash video, then you'll know my thoughts on it and whether or not I actually felt like it was useful. The next thing in here is the Alley Oop. That's this one. The Alley Oop Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. So this is an award-winning multitasker brush combined with 4 most essential makeup applicators, including a sponge, brush, brow, and eyeshadow brush. This compact game changer is all you need for a full face, on the go, or at home. Each is made of premium synthetic fibers. MSRP is $28. I need to open this up because how do you have like a brush that is 4 different things in one? So this is what the brush looks like. You've got a sponge on one end. You've got a fluffy kind of angled brush on the other. Does it come apart? Oh, okay. So there's your eyeshadow brush. And what's on this side? Oh, and then like a fine detail liner brush over here. Yeah, okay. That's, you know what, I can see maybe using something like this for just about a full face. Very simplistic, like I would use this to kind of buff in any concealer that I was using. This could be powder, blush, or bronzer. It seems like it's a nice, you know, angle for if you're doing any contouring. The eyeshadow brush, you know, yeah, that seems like it might be a good applicator. I don't know how it would be as a blender. Maybe you use the spongy side, the tip of the spongy side as a blender. And I do like the an angled brush. You could use something like this. Yeah, sorry, it's hard to see. You could use an angled brush like this either for eyebrows or eyeliner, because I do like to do a powder eyeliner. So, okay, MSRP, what did I say on that one? They're $28. Yeah, okay. I'm not upset by that. Actually, that's kind of clever. And then the last thing in here is the Ace Beauté Eyeshadow Amplifying Base. Full coverage eyeshadow base, intensifying both matte and shimmer eyeshadow colors while allowing the shadows to stay on longer. MSRP $14.99. That's a pretty good price for an eyeshadow base if it does what it says it's going to do. So that's what the Ace Beauté looks like. I have several Ace Beauté palettes. Put this in the back of my hand really fast and let's just see. Oh yeah, it's got some coverage. Okay, yeah, I put it on here and it feels very emollient. I'll be curious to see if it dries down or if it stays emollient feeling. That might be interesting. Okay, you guys, so that's actually kind of fun. What I say MSRP is $14.99. Let me do the final add up of all of the Boxycharm February base box products. Okay, total MSRP for this month's base Boxycharm, $121.98. About almost a fifth of the price is what you pay for the whole box. 5 full-size products. So we got a powder and a brush and an eyeshadow base. The other 2 are skincare items, so that's kind of a fun mixed box. Would I have bought any one of these? I might have got Saturday Skin under eye cream. I can see doing that. I might have actually gotten the Ace Beauté eyeshadow base. Probably if I were making a purchase on the website, I might have actually picked up this. I haven't used a retinol serum, and I know that I should probably use a little bit of it and just sort of do a little bit and then give my skin a day or 2 and then try some more. I haven't been doing that. I probably should. This is probably the sign that I need to start doing that. If you guys are interested in what I've got on my face right now, I filmed this look, was my 3rd and final look, with a ColourPop Rock Candy palette just recently too. So be expecting that to come up here in the next few weeks. I'm not an affiliate with Boxycharm, so I don't, if you need a code or something, let me know. I can try to track one down. I don't sell this stuff, you guys. I just share it with you in case you guys are at all interested. All right, you guys, I hope you guys are doing really well. Stick around. There'll be some different content. I do tend to change things up a little bit. Love doing 3 looks with one palette. I love doing date night looks. I love sharing with you maybe some travel looks, those types of things. I do have other content that I'm working on. I hope you guys are doing really well. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.